Zigong City Ocean Arts Company Limited was established in 2009. Located in High-Tech Industrial Park, Zigong City, Sichuan Province, and it is an integrated scientific and technological enterprise which specialized in design and development, manufacture, sales, and exhibitions of simulation products, such as animatronic dinosaurs, simulation animals and insects, simulation dinosaur fossils and skeletons, artificial ancient plants, buried excavation field and walking dinosaur garment, miniature landscape, festival lanterns, and other simulation products, which are widely used in theme parks, amusement parks, shopping malls, educational organizations, city plazas, museums, and carnivals. Ocean Art owns over 100 employees, and the factory covers an area over 8,000 square meters. And the core departments of Ocean Art are Human Resources and Administration Department, Research and Development Department, Production Department, and Sales Department. All of Ocean Art people take integrity, quality, service, co-win as the company philosophy. Ocean Art have a complete system of quality control. Each process during the production has been strictly tested and checked. Ocean Art has attained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. Its products have obtained CE certificate, and Ocean Art has rated as Gold Supplier by Alibaba. We warmly welcome clients worldwide to cooperate with us, and you will surely be offered much more than you expected.